Right now, most creators are grinding for hours, making content that barely gets seen. But what if I told you there is a workflow powered entirely by AI that lets you produce cinematic, professional videos in an incredibly short amount of time? No camera, no expensive equipment, no editing experience needed. Just 3 tools that most people don't even know exist yet. In this video, I am going to show you the exact system I use. By the end of this, you will be able to do the same. So stay with me, because this is about to get seriously good. The 3 tools are Claude AI, Higgsfield, and CapCut. And what makes these programs absolutely incredible is the sheer creativity and vast variety of tools packed inside each one of them. Claude AI is the most powerful AI writing tool on the planet right now. It doesn't just write, it thinks. Higgsfield generates cinematic video scenes from text, dark, atmospheric, ultra-high-quality visuals that look like they cost thousands to produce. And CapCut pulls it all together for free. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. Step 1. The script. I open Claude AI and tell it exactly what I want. I give it the topic, the audience, the tone, and anything else I need. Claude produces a word-for-word script with timestamps, scene descriptions, and audience hooks already built in. I never start from a blank page. What could take someone hours now takes just a minute. The sheer volume of informational guidance Claude provides is genuinely unmatched. This tool alone will completely transform the way you work. Step 2. Higgsfield. This is genuinely my favorite part of the whole process. I take the scene descriptions that Claude wrote, paste them into Higgsfield, and it generates stunning cinematic video clips. The quality of the visuals it produces is absolutely breathtaking. Exactly the kind of content that instantly grabs your viewer's attention. Every scene it generates is consistent and polished from start to finish. The style stays consistent across every single clip. And the best part? It generates these scenes with sound effects already baked in. So when I bring them into CapCut, they already feel alive. Step 3. CapCut. This is where the magic happens, and honestly, it is the easiest part of the whole process. I drop my Higgsfield scenes onto the timeline. Then, if you want a voice narration track, you just layer it underneath as so. Then I add my background music underneath that. Then, if needed, I trim everything up so it all flows seamlessly. Hit export, and just like that, you have got your finished product to use however you please. So there you have it, the complete workflow. Claude AI writes your script in minutes, Higgsfield generates stunning cinematic visuals, and CapCut pulls it all together flawlessly. This system is genuinely one of the most powerful content creation setups available right now, and the best part is anyone can do this. You do not need experience, you do not need expensive equipment, you just need these 3 tools and the willingness to get started. Click the links below to get started with Claude AI, Higgsfield, and CapCut today.